So very good evening to one and all gathered here. Today we are in module number 9, chapter number 3. So here we are going to see about the importance of labor turnover. What are the complex relationship between the labor turnover and job complexity? Some of the main important points we are going to discuss in this topic. First of all, one has to measure the relationship between labor turnover and the job complexity. Both are multifaceted in nature. While some may consider that turnover can refresh a workforce with a new born talent, some may think that more excessive turnover can disrupt the existing production in the company, and that will further lead to increase the training cost and decrease the overall productivity, especially in high complex job. So as a main objective, we need to keep the labor turnover to the minimum amount by retaining the high talent people, high knowledgeable people in the workplace. If you fail to do that, the labor turnover will be increasing phenomena, and that will lead to have high recruitment cost, training cost, and search for high talented profile will be a big demand. So these are some of the challenges, key challenges faced by the recruitment team. So instead, we need to keep a good couple of people by retaining in the same place, by controlling the turnover process to the minimum extent. We should not go beyond more. Furthermore, the turnover volatility or the frequency and magnitude of changes in the turnover rates will have a great negative impact. If all the employees are switching over from one company to another company frequently every year, that will have a negative impact on the workplace. So what are the main causes for the labor turnover? First, let us see the impact of turnover, both positive and negative aspects. Labor turnover can introduce new perspective, new skills into the workforce, potentially leading to increased innovation and creativity. But at the same side, we have to see the negative aspects. When it goes under high turnover rate, negative consequence including increased recruitment and training cost, reduced productivity and output as new employees are learning to the process, so they may not be able to cope up with the existing system, and thus will disturb the workflow and the project. Finally, it will create lower employee morale due to uncertainty and the loss of experienced colleagues. So these are the negative aspects of labor turnover. Impact on job complexity. Second one. So in complex jobs, the roles required for highly specialized knowledge and skills will have high turnover that can be particularly detrimental in nature. The time and resources needed to train the new employee in complex tasks can be more significant, leading to reduced productivity and increased cost. Routine jobs. In simpler jobs, the impact of turnover may be very less severe, not like in complex job, as the skills and knowledge required can be easier to acquire. Other influencing factors: turnover, volatility, frequent and unpredictable changes in turnover can exacerbate the negative effects on labor productivity, making it difficult for organization to adapt and plan effectively. Employee attitudes towards the change and job engagement can also influence the relationship between turnover and performance. For instance, if the employees are less engaged or have a negative attitude towards change, the performance may be negatively impacted even in the context of low turnover. with this, I thank each and every one of you. We will meet in the next module number 10, final chapter number 3. Thank you once again.